Go Wayne, he's out there. He's not going to come in this easy, is he? A bitch bait marlin? What's that?
It's on the boats and the
Yeah.
look marlin.
There's no sense reeling because I think this might be a big one. Not wasting his energy jumping. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta knock him off his tail when he's up there. He has no leverage when he's out of the water, so that's when you get the line on him. I'm liking that a lot. Yeah. Oop. My big feet don't fit in there. Hug that puppy.
Hey,
Hey.
eso.
Oh yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.